So what I always feel like I tell our clients that I think the most important aspect of, like hormone optimization or getting healthy is the positive energy, feeling good. And then because you feel good, you go to the gym more frequently. And then because you go to the gym more frequently and your hormones are optimized, you're seeing better results and you eat a little bit healthier and it becomes this positive cycle. So what would you say, like, how did this journey affect you emotionally, mentally? I mean, you touched on it a little bit earlier, but just sort of focus on that aspect of it.
I don't know. I would say like, before I like started taking care of myself, and that again wasn't just through the working out, like I had to start like taking some supplements, like understanding like areas that I was like low in or ways I could improve. Like I would say I was like very mentally weak, like everything, I would develop everything into a problem that like couldn't be solved, or the slightest thing could happen and it was the end of the world. And like I just had like a hard time like managing my emotions. And like now, like it really takes like a lot to bother me or get me upset. So I don't know. I just think like when I started doing all of this stuff, like it just was like I just felt better. Like
Well, I think some of it, right, is seeing a little bit of success, and then you start to have a little success and you feel better and it's emotional, and you prove to yourself you can do some things that you didn't think were possible.
Yeah, just like I guess it's like seeing what you're capable in. Like, for instance, I was saying like something would happen, it would be the end of the world to me, or like, how am I going to solve this? How am I going to fix this? And it's like, okay, well, you've now completely changed your body. So what can't you do? Like, that used to be something you thought you would never be able to do, or like the hardest thing on your list, and you've done it. So like the rest of the stuff is just like so small now.
Yeah, 100%. And you're not even done, right? I mean, I know that you're not done yet with your physical transformation. You're still a couple percentage points away from where you want to be. Yeah. And then, always it gets a little bit more difficult towards the end, to get in shape. So I'm sure that you're going to get there. But tell us, I just want people to know, like, how much weight are you doing on those thrusts for the glutes that people do versus what you started with? Because I know that, like, that's both a physical and mental lift, right? Going to the gym and putting on weights where you need spotters.
Yeah. So literally, to be like completely honest, I used to like struggle with like 5-pound dumbbells to like do like shoulder press, lateral raises. Like the 5 pounds, if those were taken at the gym, like I might as well just leave, because that's all I could do. Like it was pretty embarrassing. And now I'm like, on all arm workouts, I can do anywhere from like 15 to 25-pound dumbbells, kind of dependent upon the exercise. When it comes to lower body, I would say I'm able to do like, depending on the exercise, probably like 60 to 100 pounds more than I was doing like starting out. Like I'm
a lot stronger,
not
right?
to brag, but I'm like pretty strong. And like I'll sometimes like compare myself, not in a negative way, and to like each their own, but I'll like look at what other people are doing versus what I'm doing, and I'm like, it's definitely like reassuring. I'm like, wait a second, I'm like actually pretty strong. And like now I'm not like waiting around for the 5 or 10 pound like dumbbells, because everyone's using those in the gym, like, because and now it's like I can just use like, oh, the 20s are available, I'll just use those for my like shoulders or my biceps, like. And that makes you also just feel like, yeah,
feels like a champ when you're lifting heavier weights than some of the guys around you.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Or like sometimes guys will be working out, I'm like, can he hurry up with the 25-pound dumbbells? Like I need to use them. And then it's like, we're using the same weight. Like, yeah, it's very, I would say like progressing in the weights was also just something that felt like really good.
Yeah, that's fantastic.